is August 10th, 2024. It's almost about time for the annual Pokey Party trip. It's going to run from August 13th to 20th, and we are going to San Antonio, Texas. Now, it's the 10th, so we still got a few days before we go. However, we have a little bit of a prelude or some activities before we actually go on the trip. So I'm currently driving to the Philadelphia airport to pick up Hampus Fork, because he's going to be staying with me until we fly to San Antonio. So he's going to be here in PA for the weekend. It's we got some stuff planned. Today I'm going to pick him up. It's going to be around 4. I'm going to drive him back, and we're going to go to this sake bar with Chris, Benzene, and we're going to have a fun time there. Tomorrow, probably do breakfast somewhere. I'm keeping, that's like the local day where Fork's going to be like around where I live. We'll do some local stuff. We're going to go to Music Fest, which is a kind of, as I mentioned, a local to me sort of music festival with like little shops, concerts and stuff like that. We'll be seeing a ZZ Top concert tomorrow evening. And then Monday, the 12th, we will be going to Philly for the day. We're going to be doing very typical touristy Philadelphia things. So this is all going to be just the three of us, me, Fork, Benzene, for the weekend and Monday, just hanging out, doing stuff before me and Fork take the flight on the 13th to Texas. So it's going to be, have a lot to do for the next 10 days. But I'm excited. We get this little time before the trip. Bonus content, bonus vlogs, where it's just me, Fork, and Benzene. So Benzene gets to be in the vlogs this year. He's the, at least for these first couple days. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm on my way to pick Fork up now. It's going well so far. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Alright, so we're driving back from the airport. I have somebody else with me. Who is it?
It's the Swedish guy.
Fork is here.
Yeah.
After his hour wait for his luggage.
Yeah, it was terrible.
It is a long wait. But we're finally there. So now we're going to pick up Benzene.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to go to the sake bar. Remember what it was called?
I don't know, something like, I have no clue, I don't remember.
So we'll see when we get there.
Yeah.
So we're about 40 minutes out from Benzene.
Yeah.
We'll send another update. We're all in the car.
Yeah, finally.
Yeah. Alright, here we are. We have everyone. Give a good look at him. There he is.
That's me.
That's him. That's Benzene. We finally have him. This is the group for the next couple days. For today at, what was it called again? Sango Kura?
Sango Kura.
Sango Kura.
Yeah.
The bar
Number
room.
one and probably only sake brewery in Pennsylvania.
Oh, okay. I didn't know it was that big. Okay.
Well, it's Pennsylvania. It's not like we have a very big Asian population here.
We don't. And so this is the group for the next couple days. Tomorrow we're going to do Music Fest. We got the concert. And then on Monday we got Philly. So get used to us for a little bit before
You'll have to put up with me.
we get Benzene, the guest star in this year's trip. We only get to get a little bit of him before we get the flooding of everybody else. So you really get to get a personal experience with us three.
I'm like the appetizer that doesn't whet your appetite.
Yes, appetizer. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. I'll probably do another one when we're there. So, all right. Yo, here we are. Whoa. It's gonna get muted by the music. Here we go, we've made it. Get our menus, get our drinks, we got all our stuff. We having real good. Oh, it's on its way. Perfect. Perfect timing.
I mean, I kind of like what I do.
And if you look at the list, it's gonna go the June 9th, and then you're gonna end here. That's gonna be the month that it goes in order.
Thank you. Perfect.
All right, looking nice. So me and Benzene got the same thing. We didn't get the double, but we got 4. And so
Yeah, from the certified alcoholic, you know, he has to try. Yeah.
That's right.
and we're being watched over by David Hasselhoff in the back.
That's right.
So, oh, here they come.
Oh yeah.
Make some room.
Awesome. Thank you.
They're gonna start off with a small shot glass
Awesome.
and it's gonna be in the order that the signature fight is.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you. So we're doing good so far. Got our drinks, and we just need our food. Oh yeah, the food is here. Ramen or takoyaki, it's all here. Look at this feast we have. Really, it's just the sake taking up all the room.
That's okay.
We're gonna have a good time. It's gonna be pretty cool.
Don't forget you have to drive home.
We'll have to drive. Yes, we'll have to drive home. Probably saw some bottles in there. Probably can take, buy some on the way out. But cool. There's like a whole other, like this place is pretty big, and they got like barbecue across the street.
There's kind of like a strip of like restaurants here.
Yeah, so it is pretty neat.
Delaware Water Gap.
Delaware Water
Now
Gap.
we're not in Delaware.
We're not in Delaware, but there's water and there's a gap.
That's right.
But yeah, this place is pretty big. It's pretty kind of nice. I like the decoration.
They have the Mars Attacks alien over in the other room.
Yeah, it's like themed off of like horror movies,
Space,
but like
yeah.
space from like what, like the 50s and 60s.
Yeah, all like the really campy, like bad visual effects. But it's charming.
It's charming.
It sucks in a good way. That's what it's all about.
Self-aware. Okay, so this is going to get muted probably, but we're at the bowling alley, and Benzene's going up to bowl.
I take it you don't mind.
No, I don't.
After all these years.
After all these years. We're bowling. We figured we would bowl. It's about 10:30. So we're out here. We haven't bowled in a while, alright? So, see, look at this. He's got it. Okay, it's crossing over. Alright. That was his first ball in probably a couple of years. So we're doing our best here.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
You know, this is where this friendship started.
Yeah, right here. Right here. It's true. So we're having a time.